Hello, welcome to my apartment. Please come in. Welcome, welcome. So in this video I'm going to be talking about my apartment this year, and we'll start with this entrance space, which is just a bunch of shoes and a bunch of coats and a place to look at yourself in the mirror, I guess. So yeah, we have a bunch of rooms here. We have a very simple bathroom here with a shower. We have the rooms of my two roommates, Ryan and Max. Then we have here a bigger bathroom, which I share with Max. It's a pretty standard bathroom. Yeah. And for my room, which is the interesting part for me, where I spend 80% of my time, here it is. Here's where I do all my robotics work, but also all my hobbies. So here you see, a bass guitar, you see a MIDI keyboard, you see a bunch of cables for guitars, you see this weighted keys piano, you see a bunch of lenses, which are for photography, obviously, which is another one of my hobbies. And here there's some sample pictures. By the way, if you're curious about any of these hobbies, I put some of my stuff for music and for photography on Instagram, and you can check it out if you want. And here is my main control panel, my main workstation. I have these monitors for music production and microphone for singing, and also for video calls and stuff. I have my main driver here, which is the new MacBook Pro. This is an audio interface for the microphone and for guitars, and this huge monitor, which is great or this screen for coding, but also for video editing and any other things. Yeah, and this is my massive bed, and here there's my amazing view with actually some rabbits which get moved around in shifts, and now they happen to be exactly in front of my window, which is super awesome, and it makes me really happy. Yeah, so let's move on to the main part of the house, which is the kitchen living room area, which I share with my other two roommates. So this is the kitchen, and it's pretty standard. We usually have a lot of group meals here, and for the rest we use it as any other person would use it to cook. We have an induction plate, we have an oven, here's the fridge and freezer, we have a dishwasher, and as you can probably tell, this is not like the regular student apartment, and that's because it's not a student apartment. Even though it was listed on ETH housing, it's actually a couple that was going on a sabbatical, and they decided to rent it out to anyone, including students. And so we've moved in for this year. Next year we'll have to find somewhere else to go. And a thing that I really like about this place is that it's an open floor plan. So the kitchen area and the living room area are shared in the same space. So here you have a nice couch, which again is very useful for gatherings and for people who want to stay over and sleep on the couch, or when we can put a mattress here as well. We have very nice views of the tram passing by, and we're quite central right now, so we're actually 100 meters away from the Limat River, which is just over there, and there's also a very nice green grass area. And we also have a semi-indoor-outdoor space, which is this balcony that's covered. And yeah, this is a great place. You can actually open all these windows up and get a lot of oh wait, you can do it like this. Yeah, it's a very nice thing for the summer especially. And this is also where in the winter I do most of my exercise. So I hop on this bike, which is connected to this trainer, and then my phone is connected to this trainer via Bluetooth, and then I'm able to get feedback from the trainer and control the resistance based on what I'm doing in a virtual world where I do races and workouts. And then I put my iPad over here, and that's where I watch Netflix or anything else to not get bored. Yeah, and aside from that, this couch, no, it's fine, I can cut the audio. So this couch is also great for the summer, for when it gets warm and you want to chill with people outside. Oh, you can see yourself. Yeah. for instance, today there's a friend coming over and we're gonna spend some time here playing the guitar, and it's just very nice for socializing. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing other content related to apartment hunting in Zurich and other the costs related to living here or the rent for other apartments or for this apartment, which is actually 2,100 francs. Okay, this is a very long sentence. This is not going to work as a one take.
Oh yes. So David, as a recap, how much do you pay for this place?
Yes, so the rent for this place is 2,100 francs, which is actually very surprising to a lot of people. It's very cheap, and there's a reason for that. The reason is that this apartment and the apartments around here in this area are from a non-profit organization which is community driven, and there's a few of these in Zurich, but they're of course in very high demand. So you have to be pretty lucky to get in, but once you do, it's an amazing value. Regular apartments are probably going to be around double the price, realistically speaking. So yeah, anyway, let me know if you have any further questions about apartment hunting, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.